Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're in the middle of a massive tech race, with companies fighting to launch the first device with Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. While Xiaomi is expected to win, a new challenger is hot on its heels, Honor. And according to new leaks, Honor is set to launch its Magic 8 series and the Magic Pad 3 Pro on a single major day. So what can we expect? According to tipsters, the Honor Magic 8 series is launching on October 15th, alongside the Magic Pad 3 Pro. The Magic 8 Pro is widely rumored to be one of the first phones with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and the Magic Pad 3 Pro is even touted as the very first tablet with that powerful new chip. The event is also rumored to include the new Watch 5 Pro and Earbuds 4. Now let's talk about the Magic 8 Pro's design. While many rivals like the OnePlus 15 and Oppo Find X9 Pro are supposedly switching to a square camera hump, Honor is reportedly bucking that trend. The Magic 8 Pro's rear cameras are said to look almost exactly like its predecessor, the Magic 7 Pro, with a large, round central camera module. This module is also tipped to get a new direct time of flight sensor to enhance focusing, along with an additional mysterious sensor whose function is still unknown. Moving on to specs, and this is where it gets interesting. The Magic 8 Pro is backed to make a massive leap in battery capacity, jumping to around 7,000 milliamp hours, a huge increase from 5,850 milliamp hours on its predecessor. This is a game changer for battery life. But here's the catch, and this is a bit of a downgrade. A leak from China's 3C database suggests the Magic 8 series might be stepping back in wired charging speeds, from 100 watt on the Magic 7 series to just 80 watt on the new phone. On the plus side, it may retain the impressive 80 watt wireless charging technology. For the cameras, the Magic 8 Pro is tipped to offer a 200 megapixel main camera and periscope zoom lens. Rumors even point to an ultra variant with a wild dual 200 megapixel setup. Honor is also reportedly getting into the AI race with a series first AI button and a new AI-focused Magic OS X software, claiming to be the most adaptive and responsive in its class. And finally, let's talk about the lineup. Honor is rumored to be offering a full range of sizes, including a compact Magic 8 Mini at just 6.31 inches, a vanilla Magic 8 at 6.58 inches, and a Magic 8 Pro at a slightly smaller than usual 6.71 inches. So there's a size for every preference. The Honor Magic 8 series is shaping up to be a fascinating device, a massive battery and AI focus, but a potential wired charging compromise. What do you think about these rumors? Is the 7,000 milliamp hour battery worth the slower wired charging? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news. Thanks for watching. Peace out.